Guys, come here right now. Wait, what? I'm supposed to be here. Wait, what? Hi, Terrence. We have to go in honor of 56 views of our test of Galaxy Express 39 in Trains 2. Wait, there's no creating trains in Trains 2. But we have fan mail. Fan mail? Yeah, fan mail. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Aw, come on, the turntable's jammed. Don't worry, just use the checks and just use the points behind our sheds. Great idea. Yeah. Yes. I'm doing it. I'm going. I guess I'll just fly. Ow. Anyone see any? Ow. Merlin. Oh yeah. Invisibility. Don't do it. Oh well. Yeah. Gotta deliver the mail. No. Okay. Let me see what the fan mail is. Everyone, come here. Okay. Everyone, follow me. Okay. Whoa, it's a big crowd. Oh yeah, I know, but let's go there. Look, there's the patch goods. It's right. I took it away. Well, put it back. Okay. Yeah, we did it. We found the fan mail. What is it? Please. It's fan mail. It's so fragile. Oh, I want to see. Oh, that was just one tap. You should have done that faster. Let's get back on our wheels. Yeah. I know. Invisibility on. Where you go? I'm right here. Oh no. I'm gonna open it. Is he alive? I don't know, Thomas. I'm gonna go to the construction company. No, please. After we find out what. Oh yeah, it is. It's just an engine. That's so boring. But is he alive? He's moving. Yeah! You! Hello, engines of where was I? Oh yeah, hello? Oh, engines of China. That's right, I'm supposed to be sent to China. Oh yeah, it's speaking English. How? No, we speak English, and you're not on China. You're in the island of Sodor. Oh, that's a little rude. Every time I meet an English person, they're always extremely rude. Sorry, it's okay. Then how do you plan to get to China? Same way I got here. Go on the road, run over a car, get into the tunnel, which looks like Blue Mountain Quarry. That was from that mountain. You mean Blue Mountain Quarry, right? Yeah, looks like. And it was actually a wormhole. Then I hope for the best. But somehow I tried to go. Oh. I tried to go normal, but everything went wrong. I started balancing on the bridge to Sodor. On the bridge to Sodor, which is not actually the main one, which is another bridge. It has a pin track. Then I fell. I somehow got in some wormhole. Then I went down. And then down. Until I sucked into another wormhole. Waiting there. Then how do you end up in this box? Then I fell down. Inside the box. I fell down. Empty someone else's box. Get in and hope for the best. Then why are you going to plan to get there? Well, there is actually an engine which can make, well, at a station there's an engine who can disappear without act. Come right here, Bunny. Okay. And stop hiding at the place. Preparing. Invisibility on. Invisibility on. Ready to go. What the? Hello. Oh no. Well, you can certainly disappear and teleport. I don't have to go to China. This is market. Click here for something market. Go to the China clay pits in the market. China market. Map for market. Click here for a tree for free trial. What? Sorry guys. The people of America just putting some kind of chemical into my some kind of water, some coal in my bunker, which makes me clearly advertise Sodor. You already have advertisements, do you? You don't? Well, I guess it is. I know. Let's put him off the bed. Let's push him off the bed. Wait, what? Also, I'm gonna do another trick. So, sneak that way. There. Look right. Back of me, there's now a rail. Oh, cool! You can make tracks out of thin air. I wonder how they run like. No! 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 This treadmill railway is not bad at all. Wow! Oh no, he did it! Also, what are you going to do? I think he's a famous video logger. Oh no! You killed a famous video vlogger. Oh no, you killed a famous video vlogger. What do you know? I'm dying, and of course, I am a video logger. Oh no! What have you done, Merlin? Tom and Pat is not going happy about this. You're really useless engine. Ah! No! Scrap me! Scrap me! Don't worry, I won't scrap you, but you're really useful. What? Show him a lesson. No, I didn't. Wait, here's a bee in his boiler. That's a new engine, Barney. Oh. Now, cure his death. You have to push him off cliff. That can get him more death. No, trust me. Okay, sir. Alright, this is the soda bridge he was talking about, but where's the wormhole? Whoa. Okay, let's go. Yeah! Oh no! You killed the famous vlogger. Vlog? Oh no! You killed the famous video vlogger. Wait. Vlogger? Wait a minute. How do you spell that? It's easy. It's just VLOGGER. GGER. No. It's not pronounced like that. The V is with log. You don't just say vlog. It's just vlog. And then the is not ear. It's ER makes it sound It's just vlog. Oh no! We're vlogging! Ah! Ah! Haha! Feel the power of Merlin. It's not real. Don't worry, it's not real. Oh my god. Also, you can go here and, of course, click here for a free trial. To go there, to market supervisor. Of course I knew he was real. Is this another dream? Oh, wow. Wait, what? Okay, I'll just... You were in... I don't make the click music. I know. You were in my dream and died. I don't like you. Just comment. Well, that wasn't very nice. Ah!